welcome to our match. Myself, Kiran. We are from grade 8 and our topic is 3D shapes and our team name is Srinivasa Ramanujan. Now I will say a short note about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 and he lived his life through hardships, and in that condition he did a great research on because of he knows the whole world today, and his magical numbers are 1, 7, 2, 9. Now we'll show about our model. Every 3D shape, every solid object is known as 3D shape. Cube has all sides equal and it has 6 square faces, and its formula equals to length a into a cube, and its examples are Rubik's cube, ice cube, etc. Cuboid is also known as rectangular prism. It has 4 rectangle sides and 2 square sides, and its formula equals to length into breadth into height equals to base area into height, and its examples are book, brick, etc. Now my friend will explain about more two shapes.
Pyramid have 4 triangular faces. Pyramid have 4 triangular faces. The sum of internal angle of the pyramid is 180 degrees, and the volume of pyramid is 30 degrees. And for example, a sand, static and etc. Triangular prism have 3 rectangular faces and triangular faces. The volume of triangular pyramid half into breadth into length into height. As example are triangular roof, candy chacobar, etc.
I hope you like our model. Our team number is 31. Please vote for 31. Thank you.